Hey food lovers, welcome back to Andy's Kitchen, your go-to spot for amazing dishes from around the globe. So today we'll be making Jamaican Festival, the perfect sweet and crispy side for all of your Caribbean dishes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's jump in.
If it's your first time stopping by, you're so very welcome.
For recipe details, visit andinstv.com. Scroll down until you see the video of the recipe, and then right below that there's get recipe here. Click on that, and then a PDF will open up with the recipe that you would like. Thank you so much. andinstv.com. Let's get started by mixing our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and a pinch of nutmeg, and give it a good whisk. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. So what I did was I went ahead and I took my butter out, chopped them up into little squares and set them out to room temperature. Here's a tip. Use your fingers to incorporate butter into flour. You want it to look like coarse crumbs. So now we're gonna gradually add about 3/4 cups of water or milk. In this case, I'll be using water, and you want to add it slowly. You might not need all of it, but whilst I was making this recipe, I had to add a little bit more water than is mentioned, because for the butter stage I did not have the required amount, so I end up adding a little bit more water. And then you're just looking for a soft dough. After letting dough rest for 30 minutes, our dough is ready. Let's divide it into equal portions and roll them into sausage-like shapes, or whatever shapes you would like your festivals to look like. Now, heat up your oil. In this case, we're using coconut oil. Enough to submerge these beauties. Fry them for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Just look at these. Crispy, golden, and oh so delicious. Perfect, sweet and crispy. Serve them hot with your favorite Jamaican dishes, like in this case jerk chicken or ackee and saltfish. Remember, if you'd like to make this jerk chicken, there's a card up above. Just click it once you finish watching this video and you will be shown how to make this mouth-watering jerk chicken.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this recipe, you can get the full recipe at andinstv.com. Hit the thumbs up and share this recipe with your friends. And remember, new and tasty recipes every week. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss a recipe.